Hello again. Today's lesson is on matrices. The matrix that you see at the top left-hand corner of your page, we call matrix A, has 3 rows and 2 columns. A matrix both has and is known by its dimensions. So this one is a 3 by 2 matrix. Each number within the matrix is called an entry. Each entry has its own name called an address. For example, entry 3.50 is known as A sub 31. Entry 5.95 is A sub 12, which looks like that. Looking a little further down, we've got matrix M. Matrix M, which I wrote back up here. So, first, determine the order of matrix M. The order means the same thing as the dimensions. So matrix M has 3 rows and 4 columns. So its order is 3 by 4. Next up, entry M sub 24. We've got row 2, column 4, so that entry is 9. Now, 0 appears in 2 entries. The first is row 1, column 4, and so we would call that M14. And in row 2, column 3, M23. All right. Nice. There we go. All right. We can see up here we've got subtraction and addition along with some numbers times matrices. 2 matrices can be added or subtracted when they have the same order. The number in front of a matrix, here, here, and here, is called a scalar. What the scalar means is that we'll need to multiply each entry by the scalar. So for 2a, that means we would need to multiply each entry by 2. 14, -4, and 10. We would need to subtract matrix C. To subtract or add 2 matrices, we subtract the entry in each corresponding location. So we would do 14 minus -4, and that result would go in row 1, column 1, -4 minus 2, 10 minus 3, 18 minus 7, and so forth. Oops. I was doing 18 minus -5 there. It should be 16 minus -5, or 21. And 0 minus 8, or -8. Next up. Hey, dropped the marker, landed on the tray. So next up, we've got 2D as our scalar multiplication. So we double each entry and we'd have 7, 0, 16, 24, -8, and 20. Then it says to add matrix C. But I noticed something. Matrix C and matrix 2D, they don't have the same order. This is a 3 by 2 matrix, and this is a 2 by 3 matrix. And so we can say that C plus 2D does not exist, or it's not possible to add those two together. So move along to the last one. Let's slide this down a little bit. All right. So we're going to start inside the parentheses just like we would do if we're multiplying and adding real numbers. First, we'll multiply the scalar times the matrix B, giving us 10, 0, 0, 10, 2, 6. Then we'll add matrix D to that. I'm just going to write it as matrix D. And I'm going to add 2B plus D up there. So that would be, it's going to be a matrix with the same order. 10 plus 3.5, 0 plus 8, 2 plus negative 4, 0 plus 0, 10 plus 12, and 6 plus 10. Last. All right. Check my work through real quick. All right, looks good so far. Then, all right, multiply 10 by each of the entries in the matrix, and that would give us 135, 10, whoops, 10 times 0 is 0, of course, 80, 220, negative 20, and 160.